Welcome back. In the last video I left off where I was still confused or not sure which framework I wanted to use, which language I wanted to use, whether it be React Native or Flutter. I came to a conclusion. I decided that I will use React Native. I'm going to give myself a bit of a challenge and work with React Native and Expo, just to clarify. I give myself a challenge and see how quickly I can get this built using that language. I already started. I did like maybe 2 screens. I didn't have much time because I had like so much other things going on right now, but today is the day that I'm going to try to put in a good 4 to 5 hours of deep focus work. I should be able to knock out like maybe majority of the screens. Oh, and that's another thing. I did decide to do the UI first. I know the backend developers. I can hear you guys now. I can hear you guys. I just feel like this is how I want to start it. So I'm gonna have fun with it and enjoy the process as I build it out. So yeah, like I said, I already built a few of the screens. Just getting familiar with using React Native again. So I just built 2 screens to get an understanding of it again and understand the folder structure and how routing works in it and everything. So yeah, I think I'm okay now, for now at least. I probably will run into some more issues soon. That's 100% guaranteed. But yeah, so that's basically where I'm at right now. But I'm not gonna get any coding started right now. I'm just dressed, ready to go to the gym. I just had like an hour. I just wanted to get everything set up so when I come back from the gym, I don't take too long to get set up again and I can actually put in some work. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to leave, go to the gym, be back about 8-9 o'clock and probably start coding up until 12. So yeah, I'll be back. So just got back from the gym and I'm just going to get straight into it and get into a little bit of a coding sesh and see how far I can get. So let's get into it. Right, I think I'm just going to call it a night. I got most of the screens done that I wanted done. Just have to work on getting the images loaded so that they appear here. But as you can see, this is working. So like if this was your actual driver's license, it'll show the expiration date and driver's license number, and then when you swipe you get your registration number and a different expiry date if it's expiring on a different date, and you'll also get your insurance with its document number and expiry date. So that works fine. We have our call history, our warnings, citations, and this is just the menu screen. So yeah, I got a fair bit done. Gonna work on a bit more maybe New Year's Day. I think I'll have a bit more time to put in some more hours, but for now this is good enough. I'm just going to push this up and then call it a night. In regards to this project, I had some people ask me about it and was like, why are you showing it on YouTube? Why are you not like pursuing it as a business and not giving nobody the idea? And that's something that I battled with for years. That's why I never built it before, because I wasn't ready to build it and I didn't trust showing it yet, because I don't know, it's like you don't want someone to steal your idea. But I think I came to the realization and I thought that even if someone steals the idea, or someone makes it into their company before I do, at least they'll be able to solve a problem that's plaguing us traffic stops really. So that's the reason why I'm building it here. Like, if someone steals the idea, someone goes ahead and does it before me, that's fine. I'm happy that they're able to solve the problem that I was trying. So even if someone else doesn't do it, I'm still going to be building it. But in regards to like stealing the business, I'm not going to show everything, like all the features or my complete idea on how I'm building it and what's going to happen to it, but just things that I want to show and that I think is interesting, and just to give more. And things that goes wrong during traffic stops really is what I want to bring to people's attention. So that's the reason why I'm actually just building it out here in public, so people can see it and have an understanding of what traffic stops are like for people, specifically minorities and people of color. So that's just the reason why I'm building it. So I'm not worried if someone steals the idea or not. It's another reason why too, because it's more so of, you could have a good idea and it doesn't go anywhere because you fail to execute. So have an idea is one, but execution is everything. So maybe I won't be able to execute and someone else will, or maybe I will execute. I have a plan in place on how I'm going to execute, and we'll see if it happens or not. But regardless, I'm still going to be building. So yeah, and if this doesn't go the way that it does, I'm sure I'll think of another app, another business idea that I want to build. Because most of the projects now, all of the projects that I build because of wanting to start my own software company, one day my own tech company. So every app that I build is usually built around a business that I want to start. And we'll see just what happens to them. I'm gonna head out now, taking a few hours nap. It's not even going to be sleep. Just a few hours nap and then get up for work in the morning. So see you in the next one.